Do you think Tesla stock will trade at around $800 per share within a year? Prior to the stock split in August, Tesla stock has been trading at around $800 to $900 per share. Today, Tesla stock is currently trading below $200 per share. While some analysts believe that Tesla stock will continue to have a downward trend from here on, others believe that the EV company's stock will soar in 1 year. You definitely would not want to miss this one. According to Tip Ranks, the average price target for Tesla stock is $310.27, with a high forecast of $760 and a low forecast of $85. The average price target represents a 69.81% change from the last price of $182.72. This is based on 29 Wall Street analysts offering 12-month price targets for Tesla in the last 3 months. Tip Ranks is a financial technology company that uses artificial intelligence to analyze financial big data to provide stock market research tools for retail investors, as well as provide real-time data, research, and insider trading picks. Tesla stock is always in the news because not only is the company popular, it has grown to be one of the most valuable businesses in the world. Even after a relatively large sell-off in 2022, Tesla is still the 6th most valuable company in the entire world. Its CEO Elon Musk was reportedly the richest man in the world as of November 2022, in large part, although not exclusively, due to the success of Tesla. Looking back at historical charts, Tesla's stock essentially went nowhere from 2014 to 2019, when it fluctuated from around $17 per share. While there were obvious ups and downs, the stock wasn't making the type of moves that would snag all of the headlines it receives today. Starting in 2019, however, the stock began getting legs. Its biggest year by far was 2020, when shares skyrocketed an astonishing 696.45%. This made Tesla the best-performing stock in the S&P 500 for that year, more than doubling second-place Etsy's 301.6% return. Although Tesla's returns moderated a bit in 2021, the stock still posted an additional 49.76% gain in 2021, as investors refused to take profits even after the company's extraordinary 2020 returns. Year-to-date in 2022, it has been a bit of a different story, as Tesla shares have slid close to 40% as of early November 2022. However, given the massive gains of the prior 2 years and the bear market that has hit all 3 of the major U.S. market indices in 2022, some might consider that drop surprisingly low. Still, a majority of Tesla analysts think you should buy its stock, with many believing the price can rise above $1,000. There is a wide disparity in expert opinions, however, and the average price prediction is around $800 thanks to a few determined outliers foreseeing a steep fallback to the $200 to $300 range. Although the average analyst rating on Tesla stock is buy, predictions for the company's future stock price vary. In fact, Tesla stock price predictions are more variable than with nearly any other company in the S&P 500, in large part because of the boom or bust mentality many have about the company. Bullish analysts and investors believe that Tesla will continue to take the leading role in the electric vehicle revolution that has finally gained traction. They also believe that Tesla will lead in other green energy fields, such as solar panels and energy storage devices. According to Morgan Stanley analyst Adam Jonas, the Tesla you'll likely see over the next 12 to 18 months would demonstrate the capabilities of the trillion-dollar Tesla, emphasizing step changes in manufacturing, cost reduction, expansion in capacity, model lineup, and services offerings. On the other hand, bearish analysts and investors feel that the company will fail to live up to expectations and will just become another production company rather than something innovative and special. Bears view the company as overvalued, susceptible to competition, and overly subsidized. As a result of this major difference in expectations for the outcome of the company, price targets show considerable variation. The average 12-month price target for Tesla stands at $303.72 according to NASDAQ, which is a significant 68.9% above its current valuation. However, the most bullish 12-month forecast for Tesla stock stands at an incredible $760, or a whopping 285% above its current price. Most negative analysts covering Tesla, however, see shares dropping to $73 within 12 months, representing an equally incredible prediction for a 63% loss. Clearly, there's a wide variation within the investment community as to the near-term future of Tesla. Whether or not Tesla stock hits $760 within 12 months, falls to $73, or trades somewhere in between, will likely depend on whether its catalysts outweigh its risks in the eyes of investors or vice versa. While the future is unpredictable, there are some bullish ideas that are supporting investor interest in Tesla stock. For one, the company will soon be selling a competitively priced vehicle, which will broaden its appeal to the masses. More importantly, Tesla continues to dominate the e-vehicle market even in the face of competition. More than that, Tesla actually has 3 segments, something even many investors don't know yet but will learn. In addition to its e-vehicle division, the company has an energy generation and storage division and a services and other division, and both are growing rapidly. That said, if any or all of these catalysts work out, the stock should go higher. However, part of the reason Tesla stock can be volatile is that it has inherent risks. Some of the major factors that could keep the stock depressed include Tesla CEO Elon Musk's Twitter venture. Some analysts fear that between that and SpaceX, his space exploration company, he might have his hands full instead of simply focusing on Tesla. There are also worries that car deliveries may be below expectations. This is a risk with a company that produces anything. But Tesla has had supply chain and production problems in the past. Today's economy also poses a great risk, as a recession may be right around the corner. This risk isn't Tesla-specific, but could greatly damage the buying power of consumers for the company's higher-priced vehicles. While Tesla continues to lead the pack, competition in the electric vehicle space will only grow. With new mandates for internal combustion engines to be phased out of existence, every car maker is now incentivized to produce e-vehicles. In the near term, Tesla stock may fall victim to year-end tax loss selling. Still, star investor Cathie Wood remains to be bullish on Tesla. We're beginning to believe that not only will Tesla take the biggest share of the electric vehicle market, we believe that it could take 20 to 25% share of the total auto market in 5 years, says Wood. Tesla stock has surged in value over the last couple of years. Prior to the pandemic in early 2020, it was trading at $100. Within 2 years, each share was worth over $1,000, and the stock broke its all-time high twice in 2021. Those steep rises are a Tesla trademark, as are similar sharp falls in price. While it does particularly well with younger tech or climate-focused investors, a lot of its price is based on hype, often driven by Musk's comments. Any negative news can slam the brakes on, and it's not uncommon to see fluctuations of multiple percentage points in a single day. Tesla stock has been on fire for a long time. Its share price rose by 695% during 2020, making Elon Musk the richest person in the world, and then gained another 50% in 2021. The Tesla Motors stock value is included on major U.S. indices such as NASDAQ and the S&P 500 index. For a long time, Tesla has been operating practically without competition, but that is changing quickly. Tesla is the undisputed leader in electric vehicles anyway. It remains to be seen whether this will still be the case in the coming years in a market where many other brands are also strongly producing their own EVs. One thing is certain, electric cars are the future and a fast-growing segment of car sales, which is evident from the Tesla share forecast. Tesla, like all other stocks in the market, comes with significant rewards and risks. Although Tesla stock is exhibiting extreme volatility in the market today, there is still a chance that it will change in the future considering all factors. But then again, it could also make a turn for the worse, trade lower than it already is today. Overall, even analysts are at odds about the future of Tesla, as it could either be a big win or a significant loss. That said, it is important to note that whether you choose to invest in Tesla or another company, never invest in what you can't afford to lose. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more Tesla stock content.